This video examines the Bandhua Mukti Morcha case law from 1984, focusing on child labor and the move toward education. The case concerned the employment of children below 14 years old in carpet weaving, mainly in the Varanasi and Mirzapur areas. Children between 5 and 12 were reportedly kidnapped and forced into labor. These children were forced to work all day, treated as slaves, and subjected to physical torture, as evidenced by marks of violence found on them. A public interest litigation was filed under Article 32, seeking a writ to stop child employment in the carpet industry in Uttar Pradesh. It demanded a committee investigation and welfare directives for facilities like education and health. Petitioners argued that employing children under 14 in hazardous industries violated Articles 24, 39E, and 45. The Supreme Court appointed a committee which confirmed child exploitation, though the final judgment was delayed. The committee visited 42 villages and found that 42% of the workforce on 884 carpet looms were children under 14, mostly between 6 and 11 years old. Despite efforts, these children remained in bondage, having been taken against their parents' wishes. The central question was whether employing children under 14 violated Article 24, and if the state's omission of welfare facilities deprived them of constitutional rights under Articles 45, 39, E and F, 21 and 14. The Supreme Court observed that children are the nation's foundation. A secure childhood is vital for responsible citizens. Deprivation results in a significant national loss, undermining democracy and social stability, as emphasized by constitutional provisions. Key constitutional provisions include Article 24, which prohibits child labor in hazardous environments, and Article 45, which mandates free and compulsory education up to age 14. Article 21 ensures the right to life, including education and health. International instruments also reinforce child rights. India ratified the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child in 1989, affirming rights to education, health, and protection. The UDHR, Article 26, mandates free and compulsory elementary education. Judicial observations highlighted poverty as the root cause of child labor. Childhood deprivation threatens democracy. Fundamental rights include education and health. Banning child labor without providing alternatives is deemed counterproductive. The Supreme Court directed the government to convene a policy meeting with states, mandate compulsory education, and ensure health checks, nutrition, and vocational education. Progress reports must be submitted to the Supreme Court Registry. Important case references include M.C. Mehta versus Tamil Nadu on child labor abolition, K.S. Gandhi on secondary education as a fundamental right, and J.P. Unnikrishnan on free education up to 14 years. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe.